piece of cake. With the steak, what you want to do is marinate it top and bottom with some salt and some black pepper. Okay. 咁之後 just leave it there for 5至10分鐘啦，冇所謂。咁之後咧，you wanna heat the pan. Okay. With steak, you can brown 另外一邊 ，OK，咁係咯，simple steak 真係好易搞嘅啫，你試下或者有咩嚟？咁之後 heat up the pan 咧，so that heat 到咁上下，你見到啲 butter 咧開始 brown 地咧，你就可以，即係同埋你 feel 到個 pan 開始興咧，你就可以搭塊 steak 上去啦。你塊 steak 有幾厚啊？可以俾我睇下。咁如果一般嚟講，如果 you want it medium rare， 可能如果唔係太厚，可能分半鐘先得一邊。咁之後分半鐘之後，你就整去另外一邊。OK。咁係咯，simple as that，steak 真係好易搞㗎咋，你試下或者